I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying basic but essential items. Open Bluetooth settings and confirm the mic shows as paired and connected. Once done, make sure the headset battery is above 20% and positioned within 3 meters with line of sight. You should also force close apps that might lock the microphone and temporarily disable Wi-Fi if you suspect interference. These steps clear common blocking issues quickly and set up a clean environment for the deeper fixes that follow. You now unpair the headset, perform the headset's hardware reset if it has one, and then repair it to the device. This refresh often clears profile mismatches. Next, open sound settings and explicitly set the Bluetooth mic as the default input, adjusting gain to around 50 to 70% so it neither clips nor stays too quiet. Then check for and install any system or headset firmware updates and restart the device to ensure new profiles load correctly. You finish by testing the mic using a local voice recorder and then a live call to confirm real-world performance. Switch Bluetooth codecs like AAC or SBC if the option exists, because codec mismatches can affect mic audio. If problems persist, try pairing the headset to a second device to isolate whether the fault is in the headset or your primary device. Finally, if none of this works, reset network settings or contact the manufacturer. Describe steps you took and any error behavior to speed support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.